What's up, guys? Today we're going to unbox the G733s from Logitech. They're wireless headset with a little bit of RGB on the front. I needed a new set of wireless headsets, so let's check it out and see how these fit and see how they sound. All right, so let's get this box open. So I don't know if these are new or not, but I haven't seen them before. I didn't want to go with like a $250 to $300 set of headphones. I know which will probably sound a lot better, but we'll see how these sound at about $139 price point. So comes in this little box here. So we'll open up this. So it looks like there's stuff in here. We'll set that to the side. And the actual headphones itself. There's some other stuff in here. Looks like some just an info packet, but that's it for this box. All right, let's go ahead and unwrap these. So they feel pretty light, not too heavy, not too bulky. Okay, and what I liked about these when I saw them on the picture of them is the design. So they're very like stealthy looking. I like the rounded corners and the edges. They're not all bulky and big. I don't like big bulky headphones. So the pads feel nice and secure, nice and fluffy, almost feels like memory foam. I don't know the whole specs on them yet. We got the volume control right here, which I really like. Looks like we've got a mic mute button. It has a removable mic, which I like because I don't ever use the headset mic. Got the power button on the bottom, and it's got a USB-C charging port right there. So let's get these guys charged up. Oh, looks like I powered them on. So there's the RGB, if you guys can see them. Very nice light on these. Nothing too bright, but they're very bold. That's a very bold light on there, which is pretty nice. They're not too dim. They do looks like they do move around a little bit. And finally, they put the lights on the front and not the back. So let's check out what's in the box here. So it looks like it does come with a USB-C charging cable. And then here is the mic itself. So here's the removable mic. It is a pretty rigid, so it's flexible, pretty rigid. It's got a hardened tip to it. Take a look what it looks like when it's on. So it doesn't slide up or anything, just sits like that. I'm not going to use the mic, so but if you guys are, it is flexible. Doesn't really stay, kind of just flops around. So I don't know how you guys are gonna like that. But if you use an independent like mic like I do, then you shouldn't have to worry about it. So, and here is the wireless dongle. It looks like. So here's I believe these are 2.4 gigahertz dongle. So you just plug this into your computer and then match it up with your headphones, and you should be good to go. All right, guys. Well, let's put these on and let's see how they look. So I always wear a hat when I'm streaming, pretty much all the time. So right off the bat, they fit my ears absolutely perfect. Way more comfortable than the other Logitechs. Like I said, they're not bulky, they're not too tight, and they cancel the noise actually pretty well. I'm actually pretty surprised how well the noise is canceled around me as they're not on. So as far as fit goes, I have a pretty small head. It's kind of a football shaped smaller head. I would say they fit pretty well. If you guys have a big head, I don't know how. There's not a big gap in here either, which I like. The RGBs are very visible, which is super cool. So far, I've got about an 8 out of 10 with these right now. Maybe a 10 out of 10 with looks for me so far. So not bad. Let's get this bad boy charged up. Let me get the dongle set in, and and then I'll let you guys know what it sounds like. Then I'll let you guys know what the mic sounds like as well. So here we go. All right, guys, did a quick sound test, and I do got to say, the bass is not too bad. The sound isn't bad at all, but I do have to say that the volume is pretty low. I mean, it's at a good sound right now, or it's at a good level right now to where I can listen and hear everything, but you can't go up much more than that, which is kind of a bummer, unless there's another way I can do, maybe a third-party application or something. I don't know. But right now, the sound is not bad. It's to be expected. I have a $100 headset, but I think we're getting the extra $40 with the looks and feel of these. So if you guys are looking for the best sound, these are probably not going to do it. I might save up some money later and go with the Astro A50s, maybe the Steel Series Arctic 9s or something like that. But as far as $100 goes, $140, these are not too bad actually. So I'm going to give a solid 7 out of 10 with the sound. Like I said, a 10 out of 10 with the looks and feel, 7 out of 10 with the sound. Now let's go ahead and check out the mic. All right, guys, so this is going to be the mic test. Right now, you're listening to the HyperX Quadcast right here, and let's go ahead and switch it over to the G77. All right, guys, so this is the G77 wireless headset, so you can see that it's this is no editing, nothing. This is straight out of the box. This is the kind of mic sound you guys are going to get out of it. Of course, you can alter that on OBS or any type of third-party software, but this is kind of what to expect out of the mic. Now, there is a software you guys can get called the GHub from Logitech. There is an equalizer on there. There's mic adjustments. There's light sync adjustments on the lights. Let's jump into that real quick. I'll give you a quick overview of that. All right, guys, this is the GHub, so you guys can see how it's got my camera and it's got my G733s detected. It actually tells you your battery life on the headset. So go ahead and click into the G77s. Now up front, we've got the headphones adjustments. So we have the acoustic sound adjustments. You can adjust your volume, your mic volume, your side tone. Not sure what side tone is exactly. But there's different default presets: bass boost, cinematic, communications, flat, first-person shooter, multiplayer online battle arena, and there's some other stuff you can do down here. You can also set this to surround sound, which I have it. I game a lot, so definitely the surround sound is going to be much needed. As far as the mic goes, mic level gain, it's got the blue voice, which I'm not really sure of. Maybe that helps it out a little bit. So like I said, there's probably other things you can do to make it sound better than the stock, which isn't bad. So if you guys like the way the stock one sounds, you can even get it to be even better. So it looks like enable blue voice. It looks like it has a much bassier tone to it when you're in the blue voice. All right, so here's the light sync. So it tells you what your lights are doing right now. You can have it cycle, you can have it fixed, breathing, screen sampler, audio visualer. Breathing, I always like the breathing, and then you can check that you can change the different colors. I'm definitely into the purple, as we all know. So once you hit the purple, it should light up there. How do we get to the bottom? Oh, there we go. There's top and bottom. There's the bottom. All right, as you guys can see, it is displaying the blue on the bottom and the purple on the top. It doesn't really look purple on the cam, but clearly is there. All right, so we're gonna test these out for the week, see how they do gaming, and then hopefully they stand up to these standards of just regular play. They're much more comfortable than my other sets, so pretty happy about that. Remember, you guys, hit the subscribe button. We go live three or four times a week. We play Fortnite, Apex, and other mix of games, but mostly Fortnite. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. So I'd give it a big solid 7 out of 10. As for overall appearance and sound, we'll give it a week test and see how it does. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next video. See you later.